So here we have this NedFoss pocket knife. Now the knife comes in this pretty cool box, and then opening it up, there's this carbon fiber looking zipper case, and inside of that is the knife. This thing looks really cool, got a decent size to it, and it also comes with this microfiber cleaning cloth. Here's a closer look at the knife. It has a really cool black finish on it. It has a flipper on the back, really easy to open, or this thumb stud on either side, again, pretty easy to open. It has a 4-inch blade that also has a black finish on it, looks pretty sweet. It has a nice big handle, pretty comfortable, easily fits my hand. I also really like the contrast of their logo here, that looks really cool. Pretty standard locking mechanism, it's just this metal springy tab here, you gotta push down, and then you can close the knife. There's a pocket clip on this side, and this is sort of a safety survival knife because it has a seatbelt cutter on the back here and a glass breaker. But anyway, now for a sharpness test. Honestly, it doesn't seem like that came too sharp. That's a bit disappointing. I've seen knives come a lot sharper than this. It's still usable though, it's not like it's dull. But anyway, overall, I really like the look of the knife, and I also appreciate how it came with this cool case here. It just might take a little bit of sharpening to get it razor sharp.